backseat John.
Corrupt Democrat, diversity higher.
A full-blown retard and a huge liar.
Jasmine Crockett is a ratchet whorse.
She wears a wig and is the commie, of course.
She belongs at the racetrack instead of DC.
She'll ask you a question like a banshee sheet Mayne.
Her voice makes people want to kill themselves.
With big fake titties and IQ of 12.
She hit every branch on the ugly tree.
She's like a dumb black AOC.
Jasmine Crockett is a ratchet whore.
She wears a wig and is a commie, of course.
She belongs at the racetrack instead of DC.
She'll ask you a question like a banshee sheet Mayne.
With all white people, she has a beef.
She got a smush face with Mr. Ed teeth.
She won't shut up and no one cares.
She's the mean queen of the knee jazz.
Jasmine Crockett is a ratchet whore.
She wears a wig and is a commie, of course.
She belongs at the racetrack instead of DC.
She'll ask you a question like a banshee sheet Mayne.